We're working in Unit 1, Activity 4, and essentially we're just dealing with workplace safety and like a safe environment in the workplace. Today, in this little mini lecture, we're going to focus on how hazardous chemicals enter the body. So hazardous chemicals enter body. There's 3 different ways that these chemicals might enter our body. The first you can see to the left is inhalation. That just means we breathe in the vapors. And you might inhale things like dust, gas, fumes, vapor, or mist. And a prime example of this is when you're at the gas pump at a gas station and you can smell the gasoline, but you're breathing in those vapors. And in fact, those vapors have been associated with things like leukemia, other solvents that produce vapors that are toxic include things like benzene and carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide. Those are all chemicals that can pose dangers to our liver, our kidneys, and even our nervous system. So we have to be careful about, sometimes we don't even know we're breathing in the substances or the chemicals. So you just have to be really aware of what you're working with in the workplace. The second way that chemicals might enter the body, and you see it to the left in the chart, is through absorption. So there's 2 different ways that chemicals might be absorbed into your body. The first is through your skin. The second is through your eyes. And so your eyes are quite a quick entry to your body. It's an easy entry, and so that's why you wear goggles. And things like, this is why you would wear gloves too, to work with bleach and items like that. You would also use it when you're dealing with bases. For example, potassium hydroxide is an example of a base. So too is ammonia. And those are things you don't want to have on your skin, and you don't want them seeping through your skin. Acids will corrode human tissue, whereas bases are caustic. And the last way that chemicals might enter your body is through ingestion. And that's just by, that can be as straightforward as sticking your finger in your mouth and having a dangerous chemical on it, eating food with the particles on it, or, smoking cigarettes. So you just need to be aware when you're in the workplace. If you're dealing with dangerous chemicals, wear the protective gear. That includes goggles to keep things out of your eyes. It includes wearing an apron to keep it off your clothes so that you don't, transfer the chemicals somewhere. It includes wearing gloves. Sometimes it'll include wearing a mask. And, especially when you're working in construction, there's different kind of filters you need to have in your mask. And you just need to know the chemicals you're working with.